Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. Also, please do take time to click that bell icon just below for notifications. Tzatziki on the menu today, super easy. Just make sure you use a beautiful, expensive quality Greek yogurt, not the kind of thin runny stuff. Make sure it's a nice strange Greek yogurt, cucumbers, garlic, a couple of other little bits, absolutely delicious. Put that on some grilled meats or just have that with some bread or some kind of crackers or something. Delicious. Let's go and do it. Okay, let's take a look at these really simple ingredients. What we've got here is Greek yogurt, which is a nice thick Greek yogurt. Doesn't really work with a kind of normal straight yogurt. So get yourself some nice Greek yogurt. Cucumber. Many ways to do this. So some people will grate the cucumber so it's really small. I've like mine chopped like that so I get a nice bite in it. What I've done with that is I've put a little bit of salt on it, left it for about 10 minutes and then drained it off so it's kind of got a lot of the moisture out. Olive oil, lemon juice, garlic, fresh mint. Some people don't put mint, they will put dill. Some people put both. I'm just going with this there. It's super easy. We're going to add a tiny amount of black pepper to this. Let's mix it up. Okay, so mixing bowl. There's a lovely thick Greek yogurt. We're going to add in our cucumbers. Like I said, if you wanted, grate it and make it really small. I just like it like this. We're going to add some garlic. Now, all the amounts are completely up to you. If you want loads of garlic in, stick it in. You know, up to you. Just sort of play around with it. Olive oil. Try and use a nice quality olive oil. Lemon juice. We're not adding salt, of course, because I've put salt onto the cucumbers already, so they're going to be a little bit salty. Some black pepper, freshly ground black pepper, and then my mint, or if you wanted, dill. Some people also put a little bit of chili or cayenne pepper in this. I'm keeping it just like this. We're going to mix this through, and this tzatziki sauce or dip is wonderful. Stick this on some lamb chops or grilled lamb. Stick it just with some bread or some, you know, rye vita type biscuits. Play around with it. Like I say, if you want a bit more lemon, stick it in. You want a bit more olive oil, stick it in. Just make sure that you use a nice, beautiful Greek yogurt. That's your lot. Super easy. Tzatziki. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We will see you soon. Lots of love.